If you're a music enthusiast, you've likely attempted to play music on YouTube and turn off your screen. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't permit background music playback, so as soon as you do that, the music stops. Fortunately, there's a way to listen to music on YouTube with your phone's screen turned off, and I'll explain how. To achieve this, you'll need the YouTube Music app. You may not be aware of it, but YouTube offers a dedicated music app called YouTube Music, which allows you to play YouTube music in the background. Here's how to do it. Download the YouTube Music app on your iPhone or Android device. After installation, log in with your user credentials. Set up your music preferences by selecting your favorite artists, and this will generate your personalized music mix. Choose a song you'd like to listen to, but be aware that if you minimize the app, the music will stop by default. Instead of minimizing the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Get Premium. Click on the blue button that says Try it for free. This will initiate a 1-month free trial of YouTube Music Premium. You won't be charged until the trial period ends. Now you can minimize the app and the music will continue playing in the background. You'll also enjoy ad-free, unlimited high-quality music downloads during this trial period. If you appreciate the features of YouTube Premium, you can continue your subscription after the free trial expires. If not, you can cancel anytime before the 30 days are up, allowing you to continue listening to music on YouTube with the screen off at no cost. But here's a pro tip. Once your subscription is over, you can create a new YouTube account and get a new free trial for another 30 days, and you can do this as many times as you want. If you want a detailed video explaining how to do it, let me know in the comments section below. That's how you can listen to YouTube Music with your screen turned off. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like button to let me know.